Make your own compost in a pot. First, put a soil with the use of hand trowel. Chop the kitchen waste to hasten decomposition. After chopping the kitchen waste, put on the top of the soil. Cover it with soil. And again, put a biodegradable kitchen waste. Put more biodegradable kitchen waste. Add more soil. Add an eggshells for more calcium. Last but not the least, water the compost and for every 2 days to keep the moisture of the soil.